Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí gbàgede ẹ̀kọ́ ayélujára tòní. Àkòrí ẹ̀kọ́ tòní ni ìlù lílù. Today's topic is drumming. Ìlù lílù jẹ́ iṣẹ́ ìṣẹ̀ǹbáyé ilẹ̀ Yoruba. That is, drumming is one of the traditional occupation in Yoruba land. Oríṣiríṣi ayẹyẹ ni a ti máa ń lu ìlù. That is, drumming is important for every occasion, and we have different occasions where the drum is being used. Àwọn tí wọ́n ń lu ìlù ni a máa ń pè ní àwọn àyàn. That is, those professional drummers. There are those who call the àyàn. Káàkiri gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ni a sì ti lè rí àwọn àyàn. Onírúurú ayẹyẹ àti àṣeyẹ ni wọ́n ń lò fún. That is, every part of the Yoruba land, you can see a drummer, you will see a drummer, and it is being used for different occasions, any party. Àwọn tó ń ṣe iṣẹ́ ìlù lílù, who are those that are involved in drumming? Àwọn ọmọ onílù, that is those in that lineage, tàbí ọmọ tí a tọrọ lọ́dọ̀ òrìṣà àyàn, or those children that the àyàn deity has given children. They are the people that are entitled to beat the drum in those days. But today, anybody can beat the drum. I can't beat the drum, you can beat the drum, in as much as you have learned how to beat the drum. Yes, anybody can beat the drum today, but in those days it's not like that. It was never like that. Orúkọ tí àwọn àyàn máa ń jẹ́, that is the names given to them: Àyàndòkun, Àyàndélé, Àyàngbèmí, Àyànfúnkẹ́, Àyànbùkọ́lá, Àyànṣèyí, Àyànṣemílóore, Àyànbùnmi, àti bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. That is, all these names, they are the names given to those people that usually beat the drum. Bí a ṣe ti ń ṣe iṣẹ́ àyàn gan, how do we actually do this occupation? How is this occupation done? Agbe ni à ń fi ìlù yìí ṣe láyé àtijọ́. That is, those beggars, they use it to beg. That's their own means of getting daily food. But today, it's not like that. It is compulsory for every occasion there must be a drum for every occasion, and then they pay them huge amount of money. Now let's look at the part of the drum, ẹ̀yà ara ìlù. You have the apá, that is the strap. You have the ìdèlé, tightening rope. Ọ̀sán, the side ropes. Ẹ̀gì, the black ring on edge. We have the ṣàwòrò, that is the jingle brass, and we have the àwọ̀ ojú ìlù, the goat skin. All these parts are very important and unique, and they have their wonderful roles to play in the drum. Then we also have the drumming stick. Oríṣiríṣi ìlù ló wà. We have different types of drums for different types of occasions. We have dùndú, we have bàtà, we have kété, we have apíntí. We also have bẹ̀m̀bẹ́, gọ̀ǹbọ̀, we have ṣẹ̀kẹ̀rẹ̀, gángan, kìrìbótò. We have kìrìbótò. We also have gbẹ̀du. Yes, we have kòso. We have kòso. We have agínlí. Yes, we have gínlí. We have ìgbín. We have sákárà. We have gángan. We have ajere. We have àpésìnsàgbà. Yes, àpésìnsàgbà. We have bẹ̀m̀bẹ́. Yes, we have bẹ̀m̀bẹ́. We also have ìgbín. Okay, I've mentioned that before. We have ìgbín. Apart from these ones, we also have some ones again. Okay, we have gbẹ̀du, àkúbà, ìpèsè, agẹ́gò, ìgbá, apẹpẹ, àgídìgbo, àdámọ́, àti bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. We have numerous drums, and all these drums are used for different purposes. Èèwọ̀ àwọn onílù. So what do they taboo? What is their taboo? What do they forbid? One, wọn kì í gba ìyàwó ara wọn. They do not snatch each other's wife. Ọmọdé kò gbọdọ̀ lu agolo tẹ̀lé wọn lẹ́yìn. Children are not expected to beat the drums, beat tin, pangolo, when they are displaying. That is our class for today. So your evaluation, I expect you to do it in the chat box. I believe you've written something down. Kí ni èèwọ̀ àwọn onílù? What do these drummers, what do they forbid? I hope you wrote something in your copy notes, and I expect you to give me my answers in the chat box. Ṣó ti yé yín bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Correct. Your assignment, iṣẹ́ àmúrelé yín. Kọ orúkọ àwọn tí ó ń lu ìlù. Give me the names of those that are expected to beat the drum. I hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you and bye.